So I'm here. I'm not gonna try to strip the arms. I'm not gonna try to pop the elbows up. No, I'm gonna go over with my entire body. See how it's a gross motor skill. Here, elbow strike. And you can, and what I do is, everybody get close so you can see this. See this hand? Whatever side I go to, I grip that opposite side, that opposite hand. So I grip here, I go over. Because if I just have that, they can reattach. Here, and then I elbow, because now they're not able to do anything with this and I have this really close to my body. Elbow, elbow. Boom.
Something I've also seen is somebody going in between.
It's dumb.
No,
it's dumb.
Okay.
It's dumb. Especially because the reason that they do that is, come here, is because they always practice this long arm shit.
Oh, okay. So like if I'm up close, you can't get in there.
Can't get in there.
Okay, I got you.
You understand?
Yeah.
Chokings and stabbings are very personal.
Yeah, okay.
They want you to be afraid. They want to see that fear in your eyes. So they're gonna get up close and personal with you, more than likely. And they're gonna keep shoving you into the wall. So that's why I don't really even train this.
Okay.
Because it doesn't make sense. Even when someone's choking on the ground, they're not like this. They're like, yeah, I want to see the life drain from your eyes. Like, it's really scary. It's sociopaths. You understand?
Yeah.
Did that answer your question?
Yeah.
This is where you gotta push past your limits. If you don't, then your path ends here.